Pagmaragol ng Grab Philippines na metong yung Pampanga kareng tuturing a rising power hub King Luzon. Ay ni report ng Patricia Mamangon.
Pepasyag ng Grab Philippines na metong ngayong Pampanga kareng bubuluso ka digital powerhouse King Luzon. Uli ning malawak ka pamalanggap dareng kapampangan King digital platform kalupa ning Grab Car, Grab Food, Grab Express at Grab Mart. Manibatin niyang umpisa ning Grab Car king rehiyon niyang 2019 mas melawak ing serbisyo ning kumpanya kareng 14 cities at municipalities king lalawigan. Ngeni alos kapit na ning driver at delivery partners ning Grab King Luzon, Meni Batan, King Pampanga. Megsilbi ang bisita king News at Use Media Forum ning Pampanga Press Club, CJ Laksikan, Vice President for Cities ning Grab Philippines. Agpangkaya reng digital platform ning magsilbing dalan, bang makapamye mas marakalakabayan at oportunidad kareng residente kete kilalawigan.
If you look at Pampanga, not only as a heart of Luzon, but also from a Grab standpoint, it's the heart of our business. And we're very proud to serve, kagaya ni Mark, and I'll tell about Mark's story in a bit, but also to many of our restaurants across Pampanga and also across other parts of Luzon.
Matagumpaya namang pesinayan ning Grab in community fun run na inausa super takbo king Clark Parade Ground sa Pekyabayan dareng migit 3,000 partners, merchants at app users bilang selebrasyon king Apulong Banwa Naniti king rehiyon. Misundo yung super takbo king Iloilo at Davao bilang parti ning advokasya ning Grab na pasik na nga ning inclusive growth king Kilwal ning Metro Manila. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.